Good afternoon, this is Navneeta Warrior. Today we'll be discussing the concept of trademark. Firstly, what is a trademark? Simply speaking, trademark is a mark which distinguishes the goods of one person from that of the other. So, what is a trademark? Trademark is a mark which distinguishes the goods of one person from that of the other. It can be in the form of a label, it can be in the form of a name, it can be in the form of a letters. So if there is any mark and that mark is your identity, that mark is the identity which distinguishes you from the rest of the people, then that can be considered to be your trademark. Now, you might have seen the following images, right? It's a part and parcel of our day-to-day life. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, KFC and all, right? Now, in the middle of this image, I have put the two letters, that is R and TM. Just check, rewind your memory and see whether you have seen the following symbol somewhere. You might have seen in the past when we used to step out, we might have seen the following symbols attached to certain shops, certain products, right? Certain fabrics and all. But what is the significance? What does these particular symbols means? Now, firstly, I would like to clarify on that and then go on to the functions of the trademark and the later parts. Now, whenever you see the term R attached to a particular label or a word or a product, you have to understand that R means registered, which means the mark is registered. The proprietor has gone to the registry, applied and has successfully registered the mark. For example, in the picture, the McDonald's mark is, you can see that there is an R symbol, which means that McDonald's mark has been registered. Now, if you see the term TM, TM means the mark is not registered, but the proprietor has applied for registration. What does that mean? The mark is not registered, the proprietor has applied for registration. So it is in the process. Once all the formalities are compliant and there is no objections, then only you will get the registration certificates. Once you get the registration, then you can put the R symbol. Okay, so KFC, you can see it's very faint, but still you can see that there is a TM attached. Means this particular mark of KFC, they have applied for registration, but they haven't got the registration till this point. Okay, so that is very important. So from now onwards, whenever you see a particular enterprise with R or TM, just think, what is the difference between both the marks? Okay, now what are the functions of a trademark? Basically, I would like to point out 4 functions of a trademark. The first function being identifies the goods of one trader and distinguish them from the goods of others. In our younger days, while going to school, we used to cover our notebooks and textbooks. Over there, we used to paste a label, right? What was the purpose of the label? The purpose of the label was to distinguish, was to differentiate the good belonging to A from that of the other, right? For example, suppose I am sticking a label and writing my name, Navneeta Warrior, that means that I want to distinguish my good from that of the other. The trademarks also, the first function is that. Why trademark is attached to a product? To distinguish that the following good or the following goods or the following product is belonging to a particular manufacturer. For example, the aerated drinks of Coca-Cola and Pepsi, taste-wise as well as look-wise, almost look similar. How will you distinguish? We are distinguishing it because of the way in which they are manufacturing, right? The label. the bottle shape, from that you are able to distinguish. So that is one of the functions of the trademark. The label, the name, everything allow you to distinguish the goods sold by one manufacturer from that of the other. Second function of a trademark is that signifies that all goods bearing a particular trademark come from a single source. For example, when you see the Coca-Cola bottle or when you see the Pepsi bottle, it is very much evident, you will be able to understand that who is the manufacturer, right? For example, when you see a particular bag with Wildcraft written, or for example, few days back I have seen the ad of Wildcraft mask. When you see this particular symbol, right? When you see this particular symbol, you will be able to identify, you will be able to understand that this particular product is coming from this particular manufacturer. And if that manufacturer is very famous in that particular department or in that particular area, that means the quality itself is also determined by this particular mark. So that is the third point. Signifies that all goods bearing a particular trademark are of an equal level of quality. So when you see the Wildcraft bags, or when you see Titan watches, or when you see Pepsi bottles, Coca-Cola bottles, you have a feeling that all the Titan watches, all the Pepsi bottles, all the Coca-Cola bottles, all are having the same level of quality. The next one is, it acts as a prime instrument in advertising and selling the goods. Why I am attaching a mark to my product? It's a mean of advertising, right? I am putting the Coca-Cola mark, or I am putting the Wildcraft mark, or I am putting the Puma mark, or any other mark for say, because that is my symbol. That is how people are able to distinguish the goods of mine from that of the other competitors. So that is a medium of advertisement. So what are the functions of trademark? There are basically 4 functions of a trademark. Distinguishes the goods sold by one person from that of the other. Second, source can be determined. Third, quality can be determined. And finally, an instrument of advertising. So these are the functions of a trademark. Okay. Now let's see what is the definition of a trademark. Section 2ZB of the Trademark Act is defining a trademark. According to that, a trademark means a mark which is capable of distinguishing goods or services of one person from those of the others. And the mark should be capable of being represented graphically and may include shape of goods, packaging and combination of colors. So what is a trademark? Trademark is a mark which is capable of being represented graphically and which is capable of distinguishing the goods and services of one person from those of others, and include shape of the goods, packaging and combination of colors. For example, graphical representation means what? In a paper you have to depict the mark. Distinguishing the goods or services means what? For example, you can distinguish the goods of a Coca-Cola and from that of a Pepsi. Now, shape of the goods or packaging. The Coca-Cola bottle, for example, the peculiar shape of the bottle, from that you can distinguish that this particular bottle is belonging to the Coca-Cola brand. Or the way you are packing something, you will be able to distinguish that this particular product or this particular thing is coming from a particular manufacturer. So what is a trademark? Trademark is a mark which is capable of distinguishing the goods and services of one person from that of another, and it has to be represented graphically and include the shape of the goods, packaging and combination of colors. Now we have seen 4 functions of a trademark, right? The first function is distinguishing element, quality from the source, and finally as an advertising element. Okay? Thank you.